In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix WhatsApp calling update not available. Let's get started. First thing you should do is check for app update. So head over to App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app WhatsApp. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it. New calling features are usually included in the latest version of the app. If you don't see an update, restart your phone, check the App Store again. Likewise, update your device software as well. If any updates are available for your device, just update it. Next thing you want to do is head back, clear cache for the WhatsApp. So navigate to the option iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find WhatsApp and launch it. Click on Offload app, confirm it, then click on Reinstall app. Likewise, also verify that you have a stable internet connection, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network or use mobile data, then reopen WhatsApp. Another important thing to remember is that WhatsApp rolls out updates and new calling features gradually. Even if another user already has a feature, it may not be available for your account immediately. In that case, all you have to do is wait. Next up, back up your WhatsApp chats. After you do that, completely delete WhatsApp from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.